Cheap toys under $10. One of the most obvious and smartest things to do is head to a dollar store or discount section of an arts and crafts store and stock up on arts and crafts supplies. There's an array of kits and items to collect and make handmade gifts from, and you can even search for tools with a theme in mind. Consider gathering the following materials. Everyone loves collectible toys. Many boys and girls from various generations have grown up collecting Barbie dolls, Pokémon cards, and other memorabilia to play or trade with their friends. Luckily, there are inexpensive collectible toys from Shopkins and other blind bag toys, which are small and can fit in most children's front pockets and backpacks. Collectibles are fun for kids, causing them even to become obsessed. Collectible model toys use die-cast to make it look like a miniature version of the real thing. Whether it's a fire truck or a convertible car, these toys are made out of metal, plastic, rubber, glass, and other parts to make it look realistic. While you can always be tempted to buy real makeup, these small pretend-to-play makeup sets have a lot to offer. You can encourage kids to practice the art of putting on sparkly makeup, without it being real. Kinetic Sand is an amazing sensory activity for children of all ages. This sand toy is coated with silicone oil, allowing it to have an elasticity that's playful for kids to use. You can shape and mold the sand better than natural sandbox or beach sand, and then form it into fun sculptures such as sandcastles. This unique toy can be purchased in several different colors in small 6-ounce containers online. There are endless themed puzzles out there, particularly at discount stores such as the dollar store or 5 and below. Look for your child's favorite movie or character such as Disney's Doc McStuffins, Mickey Mouse, or popular princess. To add to your gift package, you can pair one of these great 30 to 50 piece puzzles with another small item such as Play-Doh or a classic game. Play-Doh sets are colorful, fun, and creative gifts for children to get their hands into. This modeling compound is often used in arts and crafts projects to make different shapes, textures, and items with. There are even some extra tools and plastic machines you can get to make special objects from, such as fake strings of pasta spaghetti. This is a great option for children who love to use their hands to build things with. Plus, it can be used as an educational tool to learn about basic colors and elements. Fans of superheroes tend to love action figures. These small items can be great and inexpensive toys to collect over time. Often dramatically posed, these figures are generally made of plastic, and consist of main characters from a movie, comic book, video game, or TV. See which kind of action figure inspires your child. Mr. Potato Head is a classic and nostalgic toy for kids ages 2 and up. Offering plenty of playful possibilities, Mr. and Mrs. Potato Head are sold individually but work great together. Each set comes with 10 different parts that allow kids to take apart, combine, and get creative with over and over again. Lego and Mega Bloks make a variety of small brick-based construction sets that generally include small vehicles, animals, unique characters, and mini-figurines. These buildable pull toys and building blocks stimulate the imagination and help children with learning ability, discovery, and motor skills. Dozens of small blaster toys can add to the toy box for both indoor and outdoor play. Whether a child enjoys Nerf, Boomco, or Connex's build-your-own blasters, there are many small ones to play with that can be a part of a group game activity or just used as target practice. Pick your favorite color and size to make it perfect for your child. Classic board games such as Jenga, Connect 4, and Trouble are generally available at a low price. Collect all the traditional games such as Candyland, Bop It, Simon, and Chutes and Ladders so you can use them over and over for game nights, parties, and special celebrations. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.